Seed sisters in the garden. Seed sisters in the garden. Seed sisters in the garden.
Hi, I'm one of the Seed Sisters, and today I'm going to be talking about our friend the stinging nettle. So we've been picking the stinging nettle and making soups and drying it for teas and making tinctures up till now. But you can see that these flowers have now sprung forth, these tiny little flowers. And as soon as we see the flowers, it means that the stinging nettle is no longer safe to consume the leaves. And that's because all of the energy of the plant is going into making these flowers and being taken out of the leaves. So when we ingest the leaves at this stage of the plant's growth, there's a potential of an acid build-up that can cause kidney stones. But it's a perfect time to start watching these amazing flowers and the development, because come the autumn months, these flowers are seeds, and these seeds are packed full of all those omega fatty acids that are so important to our health. And that's the time where I'll be coming and cutting these nettles, hanging them upside down to dry, and then stripping them of the seeds. And those seeds I add into my seed mixes, add to my porridge, put on my salads, in a wide array of different uses that we'll be talking about in the autumn. Thanks for listening.
Seed sisters in the garden.